So today we're going to be doing Brazo De Marcedes. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil.
I'm Bishop.
And welcome back to our channel. Today's episode is we're going to be making Brazo De Marcedes, which is a cake which is traditionally made in the Philippines. So my mom usually do it for us during like our birthdays, really, though. I can remember that when I was a kid. And it's a good thing that Bishop have researched this and yeah, made it for us before. So we're just going to recreate the Brazo De Marcedes, which my mom did before, and hope you like it. So here are the ingredients. Hi guys, so we're just going to be putting this meringue in the oven. It's about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4, okay? So we preheated the oven now. So we're just going to put that here. So, there you go. Oh god, it's hot.
Careful.
So we wait for 20 to 25 minutes until you can see it's light to medium golden brown. So let's wait. Yeah.
So while your meringue's nicely cooking away, we're going to make the custard filling, which is the egg yolks, the condensed milk and the vanilla essence. So let's get going. Been about 20 minutes now. Just going to check all. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Careful.
Oh, it's a little bit touched on the far side, but I'm sure it'll be fine.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. It's got a little bit of a spring to it. That's the other way you can try and check. That's it.
There you go, guys. We're just going to be sprinkling this with sugar icing, which is on my hand right now. So yeah, just like so. Oh shit.
It's alright. Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter if you had a mistake or what, okay? So, but yeah, it's just making it nice and pretty and tasty and sweet.
Okay, so we need to flip this over. So the best way to do that is, now it's sugared, cover it with more greaseproof paper, wax paper, whatever you can call it or get hold of. Then a tea towel, and then either another baking tray or I've got a cooling rack, and then really carefully flip that baby over.
There you go.
Take the original paper off.
Yay!
And there you have a naked Brazo De Marcedes. A long edge. And you can use the paper to help you, and you can also hide the burn bits. And that is a Brazo.
Look at that. It's holding its place. The meringue is holding its place, and the filling looks really nice and creamy right there. So we're going to try this Brazo De Marcedes, if it's good or not. Well, I'm sure it's good though, but really fluffy as well. Let's go, guys. Just like what my mom did. But really nice. It's the filling is not too sweet, but it's the meringue is nice and fluffy as well. So that's very good actually. I could eat this for dinner as well. Yeah. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share, and comment something back. And press the bell so you can see our videos every week, guys, okay? So from all of us here at the Traveling Hobbit, always remember, guys, stay safe, be healthy, create happy memories.
Damn it, always get it wrong.
And always keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.